Hi, I'm Carmen Lee Sargent, owner of the Grand Beauty Spa. I'm going to show you how to use soft hair curlers today. So the first thing you want to do is make different quadrants in your head. I always like working in diagonals, so I'm just going to grab a small little piece, start at the bottom, and apply a little bit of hairspray for hold. Take your soft roller, it's kind of spongy, and these are great also for making spiral curls. Get the ends in. Ooh, don't do that. Let's try that again. Get your ends nice and tucked in. And to even the tension, you can move the curler back and forth. Grab your little clamp. And let it set. Going to grab another little section. Apply your hairspray for a little bit of hold. This is a nice quick technique to use when you're going out, getting ready for a date. You can apply these, it gives you a nice, sexy, soft curls. They're easy to remove, they won't get stuck in your hair. These little clamps make it so easy you don't have to deal with any clips or pins. You can apply these in horizontal or vertical spiral sections depending on what type of curl that you want. The bigger the curl, the bigger the section. The smaller the section, the curlier the hair. You want to let these set for about 10 to 15 minutes so they can take their shape. And when you remove them, you can have a choice of letting them loose and leaving these beautiful curls and kind of maybe pulling them apart with your fingers with a little bit of a paste or wax, or you can brush them out and create beautiful waves. So there's several different looks that you can create when you use these soft curlers. So there you have it. This is how you apply soft curlers on straight hair. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Carmen.